Alright guys, welcome back to another stream. Hope you guys are all hanging in there right now for Bitcoin and crypto. Today is a pretty, tough day, I must say, for the market, right? For the crypto market, because we are in fact seeing Bitcoin crashing and a lot of altcoins are in fact crashing overall, guys. Okay, the crypto market right now is in fact having a flash crash, right? I'm pretty sure no one expected this to happen. As I told you guys many times, we are in fact in Q4 finally, right? We are in fact finally in October, one of the most, if not the most bullish month for Bitcoin, right? We are, the second day into this month and it's not looking too good, right? To start off this month in October. So far, it is not looking too good, but I am here to tell you guys this right now, okay? No matter what is going on right now in the world and what is causing Bitcoin to crash, and of course the entire crypto market, which I will talk about for today's stream. I just want to let you guys know that I do believe that this month will be October. We will see Bitcoin potentially back up over $70,000 this month in October, right? I really do believe that this month will be Pumptober or October, right? And I really do believe that we will potentially break a new all-time high very, very soon for Bitcoin. Bitcoin, previous all-time highs was in fact at about above $73,000, and we will easily break that right in the next upcoming few weeks. I truly do believe in that, guys. Okay, and I really do believe that Bitcoin is still on track to reaching at least 100K or beyond towards the end of this year in 2024. Understand, guys, when we end off this year in 2024, Bitcoin will be at a new all-time high. So let me go ahead and give you guys a little update on what is exactly happening right now with Bitcoin and crypto. Why is Bitcoin all of a sudden crashing right now, right? Same with, the crypto market. We are in fact seeing a lot of altcoins down over 5% at least, right? So there's a lot of fear going on right now, and I do want to talk about it, okay? So Bitcoin tumbles back to $60,000 level as the tensions in the Middle East heighten. So there is in fact war breaking out right now, guys. Okay, when war breaks out, okay, usually Bitcoin does not react in a positive way. Same with the crypto market, just in general, right? No one wins. Okay, the market reacts in a very, very negative way. Okay, and that is pretty much why we are in fact seeing Bitcoin and crypto crashing right now, guys. Okay, so the war is breaking out, okay, with Iran and Israel, and I will talk more about that. But look at this, guys. Okay, let me just show you guys Bitcoin real quick. We are in fact in the 1 hour time frame, and you guys can just clearly see 61,000. Okay, $61,800 right now for Bitcoin. Bitcoin actually, okay, early this morning went as low as $60,200. Okay, so it did actually drop all the way to 60K, right? Which is crazy because yesterday we saw Bitcoin at about $64,000. So Bitcoin has dropped quite a bit, right? So understand, guys, this is a great opportunity, okay, to buy in. This is a golden opportunity to buy in. Trust me, right? Because we know, guys, that a bull run is coming. We know that we are in fact in October. We are generally in Q4, and we know, guys, this is the beginning of a bull run. Understand that. So why not take this as an opportunity to buy when there's fear in the market, right? This is obviously a great time to buy. This is when you want to be greedy, right? When there's fear. So yeah, Bitcoin, okay, holding strong, $61,700 right now. It seems like it wants to bounce back up to at least $62,000. Okay, it seems like it's wants to break back to 62K. Ethereum right now just below $2,500. Okay, Ethereum has dropped quite a bit as well, way more than Bitcoin today. Solana is now just below 150. Okay, so Solana has dropped as well. A lot of altcoins, okay, have dropped. Look at Chainlink, okay, below $10 right now, right? So a lot of alts have in fact been dropping. You can clearly see that. Bitcoin is down over 3%. Ethereum is down over 6%. Right, Ethereum has dropped a lot today, almost 10%. BNB is down over 4%. Solana is down 6%. XRP 4%. Dogecoin 8%, over 8%, coming up to 9%. Dogecoin has dropped a lot, guys. Cardano, 6%, Avalanche, 7%, Shiba Inu, 9%, right? Chainlink, 8%, and the list goes on. Okay, Yashin's clearly see a lot of altcoins are in fact down over 5% at least, right? This is a great time right now, okay, to buy alts, right, including Bitcoin. Don't forget about Bitcoin, guys, right? This is a perfect opportunity right now, okay, to truly accumulate more, right? Why wouldn't you, take this as an opportunity to buy? Everything right now is on sale, right? It has dropped quite a bit, okay? So please, guys, right, take this as an opportunity, okay, to accumulate more Bitcoin or to accumulate your favorite altcoins, right? This is the perfect time to do that. So yes, guys, okay, Iran launches missile attack on Israel, okay, and this is pretty much what is causing, okay, Bitcoin to crash right now, and the crypto market. Okay, this is all of a sudden crash, right? Like I said, okay, this is a flash crash. No one expected this to happen, okay, and yeah, we know, okay, usually when war breaks out, right, market does not react in a positive way. So no one wins. Okay, that's why we are in fact seeing Bitcoin dumping right now. Same with Ethereum and a lot of altcoins in the market right now. Okay, this is mainly one of the main reasons, guys. Okay, and we know this was already happening. It's been happening for quite a while now, right? But they are, launching missile attacks on Israel, right? So they are pushing the line right now, right? They're extending it right now. Okay, and this is one of the main reasons why we are in fact seeing the markets crashing. Okay, so that's that, guys. But I want to be, more positive, okay, because understand, guys, okay, we know a bull run is coming. Understand that, guys. A bull run is coming. Bitcoin will be reaching new all-time highs. Altcoins, okay, alt season, right, is coming. We know that, guys. Understand, okay? It may be hard times right now. It may be tough, but understand, guys, right, we are finally in Q4. We are, in fact, finally in October, one of the most bullish months for Bitcoin and crypto. There is nothing to be fearful about. Okay, so let me show you guys some charts that I want to show you guys why you guys should not worry right now. Okay, even though, yes, okay, the market overall right now is down 4%, Bitcoin is down almost 4%, Ethereum is down over 6%. Okay, I get it. Hard times right now, harsh times right now. But I want to show you guys why we should not be panicking, because this is not the time to be panicking at all, right? So let's get into these charts, starting off with this one. So the boring consolidation for Bitcoin is over. The bull market starts here. I told you guys many times, right? Bitcoin has in fact been in this consolidation phase, and soon enough, guys, right, soon enough, we're gonna see a breakout from this consolidation phase that Bitcoin has in fact been in for the past few months. We will in fact see a very beautiful breakout, okay, very soon. And once we actually see a breakout, Bitcoin will be reaching a new high. So get ready for that, right? So as I told you guys, this is the resistance line, okay, that we all should be keeping our eyes on. This is a very key level to watch, because understand, guys, once we actually see Bitcoin breaking this resistance, right, from there on it's going to be history. And that's when Bitcoin, okay, will reach a new high, right? Once we actually see Bitcoin reaching back up to its previous highs and breaking this resistance, it will reach even higher. And I hope you guys are truly prepared for it, right? So Bitcoin has been consolidating for the past, 8 months. Okay, 8 months is a very long time, guys. A very long time, right? And we are about to see the biggest breakout ever in history, right? So get ready, guys, because as I told you guys, once we actually see a clear breakout from this resistance, from there on, it's going to be history for Bitcoin, right? So historically in halving years, the Bitcoin bull market starts in October, right? And you guys can clearly see October back in 2016, right? Bitcoin pumped, right? And that was in fact the halving year, right? Same with 2020, right? That was also another halving year, right? And you guys can clearly see what did Bitcoin do in October of 2020? It pumped like crazy. Look at that, right? So will history repeat itself? We know this year was obviously, the fourth Bitcoin halving event that happened a couple months back in April. April 20th to be exact. And we know, guys, okay, that Bitcoin will pump. And we know, guys, every single time right after a Bitcoin halving event, Bitcoin does tend to pump, and that's when the bull run does begin. But it doesn't happen straight away, right? We know that. It takes time, and that's exactly what Bitcoin is doing right now, right? So will history repeat itself, right? The halving years for October, will we see a pump for this time around for 2024? I think we will, guys. Okay, I think, this month in October, we will see a October, right? So get ready, guys, because I really do believe that this time around for this month in October, in the next upcoming few weeks, Bitcoin will pump, and I really do believe it will pump to like $70,000 and beyond. I think that is very, very possible, even potentially reaching back up to its previous highs, even potentially reaching a new high, right? So we will see, guys. Okay, time will tell. And also, one of the main reasons why you should be very, very bullish right now for Bitcoin and crypto, when Bitcoin goes up in September, it continues going up every single month in Q4, 3 out of 3 since 2013. And these are facts, right? So you guys can just clearly see, for example, back in 2015, we had a green September. And then, of course, the remaining 3 months, October, November, and December, were in fact in the greens. Same with 2016. We had a green month in September, and then the remaining 3 months, right, for that year was in the greens. Same with just last year in 2023, right? Last year, 2023, in September, we saw Bitcoin up 4%, right? It was in the greens. And then, of course, October, November, and December did end off in the greens. Will this time around be different? Will history repeat itself? I think it would, right? So understand, guys, okay? It does continue going up. When we see September in the greens, right, ending off that, month in the greens, okay, we usually do see the remaining 3 months in the greens, right? And just so you guys know, right, last month was the best performing September ever for Bitcoin, which is history, because we know, guys, September is historically one of the most bearish times for Bitcoin and crypto. Usually September, we don't see Bitcoin performing that great, right? Even the crypto market, even the stock market, right? Just clearly see a lot of reds during September, but this time around is different. And we recently just last month, had the best performing September ever in Bitcoin history, which is amazing. So I really do believe that October will be absolutely bullish. Same with November and December. So guys, get ready for Q4. Okay, Bitcoin, and this is why I really do believe, Bitcoin is ready to reach, 100K towards the end of this year in 2024. So get ready for that. Okay, but yes, so far we are down 3%, guys. Okay, y'all can clearly see Bitcoin monthly returns, and so far we are only 2 days into this month of October. Not a great start, and we are already seeing Bitcoin down 3%, so it's in the reds. But understand, guys, we're only 2 days into this month. Okay, like, this is just the beginning. We still have 4 weeks into this month. So understand, I really do believe that the next upcoming few weeks will be amazing for Bitcoin and crypto. Understand that, guys, right? I am ready for Bitcoin to reach back up to at least $70,000, even potentially, breaking that resistance and reaching a new high. I really do believe that is coming. So for all my Bitcoin holders out there, for all my crypto investors out there, get ready. Get ready for Q4, get ready for October, and get ready for the bull run, because it is coming, guys. And I really do hope you guys are truly prepared for it. Okay, so also it says here, if you believe in the Bitcoin 4-year cycle, personally I do, and I hope you guys do as well. It also says that the bull market will start here in October. So you guys can't really see it, but there you guys go. So you guys can clearly see October. We haven't seen anything yet for the past few months, but understand, okay, usually October, this is the beginning. Okay, this is where things kick in, just like in previous times, right? For Bitcoin, right? You guys can clearly see that in previous years, right? We didn't really see Bitcoin moving, right? But understand, in October, that's when things really kicked in for Bitcoin. So it's going to start here, guys. Okay, so get ready for October, guys, because it's going to be absolutely amazing. And I hope, and I know, hopefully, you guys are ready for, October. Okay, because I know personally I am, and I hope you guys are in fact well. All those times, DCAing into Bitcoin or crypto, right? Investing, right? Accumulating, okay, and most importantly, holding, right, will finally pay off. Okay, this is the moment that we all, in fact, have been waiting for, right? And it's finally here, and it's about to happen right in front of our eyes. And I really do hope you guys are pumped. I hope you guys are, excited, okay, and just prepared for the next bull run, because it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be the most craziest bull run ever, and it's gonna shock the world, right? So get ready. So we know the US election is in fact coming up, I believe early November, right? So the US election between Kamala Harris and Donald Trump, okay? And of course, guys, right, Bitcoin will go, crazy, after the US election. Usually right after, the US elections, Bitcoin does pump, right? It happened in 2012, 2016, and even in 2020. And I really do believe this time around in, this year, 2024, will be no different. I believe Bitcoin will pump. Okay, a lot of people think, if Donald Trump wins this election, Bitcoin will pump, but if Kamala Harris wins, then it will drop. Understand, guys? Okay, I just want to clear the air. It does not matter who wins this election. Either it's Donald Trump or Kamala Harris. It doesn't matter who wins, right? Either way, Bitcoin's gonna pump. It's gonna reach new highs. Okay, either way, we're gonna be in a bull run. It does not matter, guys. Okay, honestly, it does not matter who wins, right? Either way, Bitcoin will pump, the crypto market will pump, because we are in fact gonna be in a bull run and in the next bull market. I understand that, guys, right? I just want to clear the air out there, right? So either way, Bitcoin is ready to reach new highs. Okay, and this bull run will still remain, okay, on track. So get ready for that. So Bitcoin, $100,000, right? As I told you guys, I personally do believe, okay, Bitcoin will reach $100,000 towards the end of this year in 2024. And I still believe, right, it's still on track, right? If you guys have been watching my videos for the past few weeks, even for the past few months, I've been telling us that many times that I really do believe that Bitcoin has huge potential to reach at least 100K. So it says here, Bitcoin will break $100,000 this year if it follows the average gains made after a green September candle. So projections, October, $80.5 thousand, November, okay, $89.7 thousand, close to $90,000, and December over $100,000, okay, $106,000, right? So there is huge potential, guys. Okay, there is huge potential. Okay, that there is in fact a chance that by December, okay, or towards the end of that month in December, right, towards the end of the year, we will see Bitcoin at 100K or over 100K. Okay, and I really do believe personally that is still on track, right? So get ready for that, guys. Okay, get ready for a 100K Bitcoin, because it is coming. I really do hope for all my Bitcoin holders out there watching this right now, I really do hope you guys are truly prepared for it, right? So Bitcoin, okay, will be reaching new highs. Okay, and a lot of people are in fact wondering where the top will be for Bitcoin. Okay, there's a lot of predictions out there. Understand, guys, these are all predictions. No one out there realistically knows where the top will be for Bitcoin. But I'm here to tell you guys right now that we know that Bitcoin will be in the six figures. It will for sure be at 100K and beyond. Okay, understand, guys, when Bitcoin is at 100K, that's not the all-time high, right? It's going to go way higher than that. Okay, 100K is going to happen this year, 2024. Understand, next year, 2025, throughout that year, that entire year, we will obviously be in a bull market. Understand that, right? So Bitcoin will obviously be much higher than $100,000. I just want to put it out there. So I've been telling you guys many times, 100K is for sure going to happen. Bitcoin, we know it's going to be in the six figures. So understand, starting at 200K, okay, I really do believe Bitcoin has huge potential to reach at least $200,000 to even $250,000 to $280,000 to even $300K and beyond, right, in the next upcoming bull run, right? And this chart is showing us that Bitcoin is going to be over $300,000, $350,000. And I really do believe that is very possible. Now, I see a lot of predictions that Bitcoin is going to be at 400K to 500K, right? As much as I am bullish on Bitcoin, I don't believe this bull cycle we will see a 400k Bitcoin and beyond. That's just my personal opinion, guys. Right? I'm just trying to be realistic here, right? But I really do believe 200k to 250 to even 300k and beyond is very, very possible. But 400k and beyond, I don't think that is possible, right? It will happen obviously one day, right? In the next bull cycle, that will happen, right? But this bull cycle that's coming up, okay, I don't think that's gonna happen. Okay, as much as I am bullish on Bitcoin, you guys know that I'm very, very bullish on Bitcoin, right? I don't think we're gonna see Bitcoin reaching 400k and beyond, right? I'm just trying to be like realistic here, but 200k and beyond, and even 300k and beyond, those price targets are very, very possible. Okay, and let's just say Bitcoin does reach 400k and beyond. I won't be mad at that, right? I will not be mad at that. I'm pretty sure no one will be mad at that, right? But these are just all predictions here. Okay, no one realistically really knows where the top is for Bitcoin. Okay, so if you want to take your profits, right, you simply want to DCA out, just like as you would DCA in, right? You want to DCA out, right? And if you guys are planning on selling your Bitcoins, personally, like, don't sell all your Bitcoins, right? Don't sell all your Bitcoins, sell some of them, but don't sell all of them, guys. Okay, you want to keep your Bitcoins for long term. Understand that, right? Bitcoin has store of value. It's a hedge against inflation, right? If you want to beat inflation, you got to put your money into assets. And what's a great asset to put in for long term? Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is a hedge against inflation, right? Bitcoin is always rising. Bitcoin is literally the best performing asset out of all these other assets like index funds, S&P 500, right? Real estate. Okay, it is the best performing asset out there, right? For the past 10 years, Bitcoin has pumped so much, right? Like, guys, let me know in the comments down below another asset that has performed way better than Bitcoin for the past 10 years, right? You really can't. Like, Bitcoin is obviously the clear winner, right? Even though, yes, short term, Bitcoin is very, very volatile. I get that. Okay, days like this, Bitcoin is obviously dropping. It's down, almost 4% today. I get it, right? Short term, but understand long term, it's always going up, right? And if you actually look at the entire Bitcoin chart, it's always rising up. It's like a volatile uptrend. That's what I like to call it, right? Because it is always rising. It is always, reaching new highs, okay? So, yeah, Bitcoin, okay, 61.7. We'll see what's going to happen with Bitcoin in, the next few hours. And of course, we'll obviously, keep you guys updated on what is going to happen with Bitcoin, because, with this going on right now, with the war breaking out, yeah, it is not looking too good right now for the crypto market. Okay, it really, really isn't, guys, right? And I hope you guys are, hanging in there right now for Bitcoin and crypto. Okay, do not panic. This is not the time to panic right now. This is not the time to be fearful, even though, yes, there's a lot of fear in the market right now. Okay, everyone is panicking, but I'm here to tell you guys to not panic. This is obviously not the time to panic. Okay, this is actually the time to be the opposite, right? While others are fearful, we got to be greedy, and this is obviously the perfect time to buy. While others are selling, right, panic selling, we got to buy, guys. Like, opportunities are right here in front of us, and trust me, right, in the next upcoming few weeks, everything will pump back up. Everything will recover very, very soon. I really do believe in the next few days, Bitcoin will easily recover back up to like 64k to even 65k in the next few days. I really do believe in that, right? Like, early this morning, a couple of hours ago, we saw Bitcoin all the way back down to like $60.2 thousand. Look at it now. It's at $61.6 thousand. It's already recovering, right? You can clearly see that slightly, and it will recover, eventually in the next few days, right? So understand, guys, there is nothing to be fearful about. I hope you guys are, in fact, taking this huge golden opportunity right now to buy some more Bitcoin, to buy some more Ethereum, or whatever, altcoins that you guys are, in fact, buying or DCAing in. This is a great time to buy more, right? Everything is on sale right now. So please take this as an opportunity, okay, to stack more, guys. Okay, don't miss this opportunity to buy more, because everything right now, you can clearly see a lot of alts are down over 5% at least, right? If I just scroll down, a lot of reds, A lot of alts are down at least over 5% easily. I'm seeing a lot of altcoins down like 7%, 8%, 9%, even some 10%. Look at Floki, 12%, right? Look at this altcoin, 16%. Okay, so a lot of alts are in fact dropping, guys. Okay, you guys can just clearly see that the list goes on. Okay, so someone says here, I'm into Ton these days. Okay, so Toncoin. How is Ton doing? Because I know, with the creator of Toncoin or Telegram, sorry, um, he did get arrested, right? If I remember. And then of course we saw Toncoin crashing. And yeah, so far it's not looking too bad for Ton. Holding strong above $5, not looking too bad for Ton, right? And I really do believe there could be potential for Toncoin, right, in the future, 100%. So Toncoin is a pretty good altcoin to get into, right? Not financial advice, guys. Like personally, I'm not invested into Toncoin at all, believe it or not, right? I'm mainly stick with like Ethereum. I'm investing pretty heavy into Solana. Same with Chainlink, right? You guys know I'm a huge fan of Chainlink. Okay, and yeah, I've just been buying a whole bunch of it. Okay, Polkadot I still have a bag of. Have not bought Polkadot for a while. Dogecoin, okay, as I told you guys, I personally do not hold meme coins, okay, but Doge is the only meme coin that I'm really like holding right now. I still have a bag of Doge, okay. I still, back 2021, right? I did obviously take my profits, thank God, right? I did, right? But I still, have a bag of it. I didn't sell all my Doge coins, but with Shiba Inu, I sold all of it. Thank God I did, because SHIB has dropped a lot, right? And I will obviously, buy back in to Shiba Inu because I really do believe meme coins will pump. We saw a couple of days ago, like meme coins pumping. Like, look at SHIB, like for the past 7 days, it's up over 10% still, even though it's down 8%, 9%, right? So I really do believe meme coin season is still coming, and I really do believe Dogecoin and Shiba Inu will perform very, very well, and it's gonna lead, the meme coins, right? But yeah, a lot of these altcoins are in fact in sale, guys. Okay, this is a great time right now to buy. Okay, and Casper is also another one that I'm planning on investing in long term. If you guys haven't seen the video that I made on Casper, you should definitely check it out. But yeah, Casper is down 7%. I think right now is a great time to buy some Casper if you haven't already. It's right now holding at 15 cents. But there is huge potential for Casper in the future. The technology kind of works the same as Bitcoin, right? And that's why I'm planning on, buying some and just simply holding it for long term, right? So that's that. But yeah, a lot of alts are down, guys. Okay, this is a great opportunity right now to buy alts as much as you possibly can. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the stream. I hope you guys are hanging in there right now for Bitcoin and crypto. Like I said, don't be scared. Do not panic right now. This is not the time to be panicking, to panic sell. Continue to buy. And if you can't buy more, if you can't DCA, then just hold and let the gains come to you, because we know, guys, okay, we are in fact in Q4. We know a massive brawn is coming. Okay, so someone says here, okay, I'll do a little Q&A. So if you guys have any questions at all, I'll be happy to answer them. Okay, and then I'll end the stream. So someone says here, what are your thoughts on ISO 20022 protocols? I have no idea what that is. What is that? I have no idea what you mean by that. Should I look it up? I have never heard of this. Is it like a role of real-time payments? Because I've never heard of it, sorry. Okay, so XRP, XLM, Stellar, HBAR, Quant. Yeah, I mean, those altcoins are great, personally, right? I've heard a lot of, like, I don't want to like hurt the XRP armies out there, but I've heard a lot of things about XRP recently, right? Um, and it's kind of negative in a way, right? But I won't talk about it in this stream, right? Like personally, yes, I still have a pretty small bag of XRP. Okay, I did sell some of my XRPs recently. XRP, by the way, is at 60 cents. It's been a while since we have seen XRP at 60 cents, right? So that's great to see for XRP, 60 cents right now. But yeah, I still have a bag of XRP. I don't mind XRP. I still have a bag of it, right? So I'm still keeping some of my XRP because I do believe, you know, XRP has potential in the next bull run, right? And I will potentially, obviously, take my profits with XRP. Now with Stellar, I'm pretty sure that's Stellar XLM, right? Yeah. Now this altcoin, I did buy into it a couple years back. Okay, I believe like 4 years ago or 3 years ago, and yeah, I sold. Right, I got out, and I'm glad I got out because yeah, this altcoin has dropped and it has not gained back much momentum back up to the upside. Not much, right? Y'all just clearly see that. Do I see potential right in the next bull run? Potential. There is, yeah, there is potential for this altcoin to, you know, reach back up, I guess. HBAR, I do not buy as well. I don't know much about HBAR. So Algorand and Cardano, yeah, I like Cardano. Okay, I like what Charles Hoskinson is doing. You know, the creator of Cardano, right? He's a very, very smart man, and I do believe Cardano has huge potential as well. You know, I have a pretty decent amount of Cardano. I still have a bag of Cardano. I have never sold any of my Cardano, and I've been buying it for the past few years, and I'm still holding, right? So I like Cardano, but Algorand, did I buy Algorand? I'm not quite sure. I think I did, and I still have a small amount of it. I'm pretty sure. Casper, yes, I like Casper. Okay, as I told you guys, Casper sort of works like Bitcoin, right? The technology behind it, okay, it's sort of similar, you know, to Bitcoin, right? And I am very, very bullish. You know, I've done my research a couple months back, and I like it, right? And that's why personally I am in fact buying some Casper, and I am not going to be like in Casper for short term. I'm actually going to be in Casper for long term. So I'm going to be like investing into Casper for the next like upcoming few years, even right now. And I'm just going to be simply holding it. I'm not going to sell any of it because I think Casper has huge potential in the future, right? And I want to show you guys this clip of Casper, right? And it's actually very, very interesting. So I want to show you guys it because I think it's pretty interesting, right? So I'm pretty sure we all know who Da Vinci Jeremy is. Like, if you don't know who Da Vinci Jeremy is, you're literally like living under a rock. Like, if you're in the crypto space, if you're a Bitcoiner, then you would know who this person is, right? Clearly. So let me just pull this clip up and just show you guys because I find this very, very interesting, right? Very, very interesting. And he talks about Casper a fair bit. So check this out.
You guys want to know which cryptocurrency to buy that's similar to Bitcoin when it was in 2013, because you think it's too late to buy Bitcoin. I get that feeling. It's very high. It's $60,000 per coin, and you feel that you want to hold a whole coin and you can't. I understand. Okay, so what cryptocurrency where you can buy it really cheap and see it go higher one day that is fundamentally sound? And I can tell you, Casper is one of them. I really think the technology behind Casper is unique and is going to work in a cash-based system. Many of you guys want to know which.
So this man right here, Da Vinci Jeremy, okay, he told everyone to buy Bitcoin when it was at $1 back in 2013, when it was like actually a couple of dollars, right? Because back in 2013, that was when Bitcoin was like maybe just below $100, or when it was above $100. Because remember guys, 2013 was the first year, okay, where we actually saw Bitcoin breaking 100k, right, for the first time ever in Bitcoin history. So we know this video right here, right? If you guys haven't seen this video, you should definitely check it out. But look at this, 11 years ago, back in 2013, he told everyone just to buy $1 worth of Bitcoin, right? And now he's telling people to buy Casper, right? So don't have that regret, guys, because if you guys actually go on this video and read the comments, it's pretty funny because a lot of people have that regret. Right? I just find it, funny because everyone's like, oh, I wish I had a time machine and just went back in time and bought Bitcoin. Do that with Casper, because apparently Casper is going to be the same as Bitcoin, right? It's going to be the next big crypto. That's what he's saying here, right? So do your research on Casper. If you like Casper, then go ahead and buy it, right? Very, very simple. If you don't like it, then don't buy it, right? It's that simple, guys. All right. So any gaming coins I'm interested in. Okay, so I did back, the last bull run, did actually buy some gaming coins, right? And the ones that I bought was Axie Infinity. By the way, I have lost so much. Well, I haven't lost because I haven't sold, but understand, guys, Axie Infinity, I was like buying it near the top, by the way, when it was at like, I don't know how much it was. Let's have a look at Axie Infinity, because this was in fact one of those gaming coins that I did buy. And just look at this, man. This is sad to look at because I was buying Axie Infinity when it was at like $80 at least, like all the way up here, like $80. Now this coin is at just below $5. It's so sad to look at, right? This coin has dropped a lot, and I put a fair bit into this coin, right? Like I was up a fair bit because it was pumping all the way up to like over $100, $157. And I should have took my profits, right? Lesson learned here, guys. So I still have a bag of Axie Infinity. I don't think it will do anything in the next bull run. I still have a bag of Sandbox. I did invest into Sandbox and Decentraland, okay, and ApeCoin, right? But I believe for ApeCoin, I did actually sell it. But with Decentraland, Sandbox, and Axie Infinity, even this altcoin right here, what's it called? Multiverse, I bought, right? And those are the only gaming crypto coins that I've bought, guys, right? On that, I haven't really been buying much, okay? Gaming tokens. But I really do believe, obviously, in the future, gaming in general, right? The gaming industry is huge, right? And I really do believe a lot of these gaming tokens will perform very, very well, in the next upcoming bull run, right? Even AI. We know AI will be huge as well, okay? So if you guys have any more questions, let me know right now, okay? Before end today's stream, right? But yeah, I do see huge potential for gaming tokens. And of course, AI. AI is going to be huge, by the way, guys. And I heard about one altcoin called Render. This altcoin right here, I don't know if you guys have heard about it, but apparently there is huge potential for this altcoin. I've done my research on it, and it sounds pretty interesting, right? And yeah, it has performed very, very well for the past few months, right? You guys can clearly see that. Okay, so Render is a altcoin that you guys should really, potentially keep your eye on, because we know AI will be huge in the future, right? And a lot of these AI tokens will perform very, very well in the next bull run, right? All right, so someone says here, do you hold any meme coins? Yes, I do. The only meme coin that I hold is Dogecoin, right? That is the only meme coin that I hold, guys. As I told you guys many times, you don't want to hold meme coins, okay? Like generally, you don't want to hold meme coins. If you want to make money in meme coins, because we have heard stories about, teenagers, right? People that are younger than me have made millions of dollars, right? They took that risk, right? So simply, if you want to make money with meme coins, guys, you want to trade it. You don't want to like invest in it, right? So don't hold your meme coins for too long, right? Swing trade it, right? Get in that trade and don't hold it for too long, right? You simply want to get in and get out ASAP as soon as you possibly can, right? Because yes, guys, with meme coins, they can pump, they can move like crazy. up to the upside. They can move, guys. But understand, when it moves like crazy, don't get too greedy, because that's when eventually it will crash. And it doesn't even have to be with meme coins. It could be any altcoin at all. If you see any altcoin up 50%, 70%, 80%, even over 100%, because we see a lot of that nowadays, right? You want to simply just get out. You don't want to like hold it for too long, right? You're being too greedy, right? At that point, you're kind of like gambling, right? Because you want more and more and more and more. That's just like with the Dogecoin millionaire. I don't know if you guys have heard, but the Dogecoin millionaire, in the last bull run, he didn't sell any of his Dogecoins, right? He was up over like $3 million, 3.1, 3.2, somewhere around there. And he only invested like $180,000 into Doge, right? And that $180,000 made him millions of dollars. He obviously became a millionaire, right? He became a Dogecoin millionaire, right? It was over 3 mil. And he didn't sell, right? He got too greedy and it dropped, right? So you don't want to be that person, guys. Okay, but I do believe Dogecoin has the potential to obviously reach back up to its previous highs, even reach $1. I think $1 Doge is possible in the next bull run, right? Like I honestly do believe that is very, very possible. And that's why personally, guys, I still have my bags of Doge. Like, why would I sell now at a loss, right? There's no point. Okay, I might as well just wait for it, because I really do believe Dogecoin can reach back up to its previous highs, even reach a new high, right? At $1. I believe that's very, very possible in the next, bull run. And I believe it will pump to that level, right? So there's huge potential for Doge and even Shiba Inu. I am planning on going back into Shiba Inu, because I did sell all my Shibs back 2021. And thank God I did, because it did drop. But I do believe Shiba Inu has huge potential, in the next bull run as well. So I am in fact planning on buying some more Shiba Inu, right, as a trade. And other meme coins like Pepe, you guys know. Okay, Pepe, I've been buying. I've sold it, by the way, which I kind of regret. I wish I didn't sell all my Pepes, right? Dogwood Fat, planning on getting in. Same with Floki. But understand, guys, when I'm investing into crypto, I just stick with the basics, which is Bitcoin and Ethereum, because I am here for long term, guys. I am not here for short term. Like with Bitcoin, with Ethereum, with Solana, Chainlink, and Casper, these altcoins, I am planning on just buying them for long term and just simply holding them. Like, I will obviously take some money off the table, but I won't be selling all of them. Understand that, guys, right? I'm here for long term, guys. Okay, and I really do believe, these altcoins will, build me wealth in the future, right? So that's why personally I am in fact buying them for long term, in them for long term, not short term. Okay. So guys, I think that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed tonight's stream. Get ready for the bull run. Understand, yes, I know Bitcoin is having a crash right now, but I understand it will recover in the next few days. Don't you worry, okay? And it will be back to this level of $64,000 and eventually 66K where it was, okay, a couple of days ago. So don't you guys worry, it will recover very, very soon, and it will potentially reach back up to 70K, because I do believe this month in October, the next few weeks, I personally do believe Bitcoin has huge potential to reach back up to like $70,000 and beyond, even back up to a new all-time high. I think that's very, very possible. So we'll see. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end tonight's stream. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have not yet seen today's video that I've uploaded about 1 hour ago, you should definitely check it out. Okay, if you guys haven't already, I really would appreciate that. But guys, hope you guys enjoyed this stream, and I will, obviously keep you guys updated on what's gonna happen with Bitcoin and crypto. So stay tuned for that. But continue to buy, continue to DCA, continue to hold, most importantly, and let the gains come to you, because we know a massive bull run is coming. Right, so get ready for it. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Give thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. Always appreciated. And I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.